welcome to another Tribe Architect tutorial. This is going to be the first part of a series that shows you how to use the image gallery element. So because this element is a rather complex one and you can choose between 4 different types of image galleries, in this tutorial I will show you how you can add the element and add images to it, and from there on you can access the specific tutorials depending on which gallery type you want to create. So let's get started. In order to add an image gallery to your site, you will have to open a page or post in the Tribe Architect editor, which I've already done here. Next, you will have to add the element to the page or post. For that, you can click on this plus sign to open the list of the Tribe Architect elements and then scroll down or start typing image gallery to find the image gallery element. So once you find it, you can easily grab it and drag and drop it on your editor where you want it to be placed. So as you do that, your media library will open and you will have to select as many pictures as you like to be added to your image gallery. So I have selected 5 images here, and if you want you can also add captions to them by writing the captions here in these fields. In this pop-up you will have the option to cancel the gallery by clicking on this option, which will simply take you back to the editor. Then you can edit the gallery, and this is the tab we're actually in right now. So from here you can reverse the order of the images, and if you do that, the pictures will be ordered from the last one added to the first one. So if you want to do that, you can simply click here. Then you can also add alt tags to the images, change their title, caption, description, or get their links. Moreover, if you decide that you want more pictures to be added to the gallery, you can click on Add to Gallery here and you will be taken back to your media library from where you can choose more images. So we can simply click on a new one and click on Add to Gallery and we'll be taken back to this part of the pop-up. So you can also remove images from the media gallery if you want, and then when you're finished, you can click on Insert Gallery. Now as you do that, the options of the image gallery element will appear in the left sidebar. The first thing we can change from the main options section is the selection of images. So this means that if we click on this button, we can go back to the media gallery to add more images, remove existing images, or simply edit these ones. So at any given time when you want to return to that pop-up and change something about the images, you can do that by clicking on this Edit Selection button. Moreover, you will also have the number of active images, so the number of images that are in your image gallery element at this moment. So then the next option here will be the Edit Design option, which if you click on and then click on an image in particular, you will be able to edit the style of the images. So for example, if we want a black and white gallery, we can do that from here. Now it is important to note that if you modify one of the images, all of the other images will also inherit the same modifications, just to make sure that we keep consistency throughout this element. So we can play around with all of these options, and then when you're done in the edit mode, you can click on Done here to return to the main options of the image gallery. From here on, the options that appear in the left sidebar will depend on the gallery type that you choose to create. For this reason, I will ask you to please click on the link with the gallery type that you wish to add on your website.